Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun and easy video, we're going to be making some really yummy digestive biscuits. For our recipe today, I have 1 2/3 cups of whole wheat flour. This is 250 grams. 3/4 of a cup or 85 grams of powdered sugar. A half a cup or 115 grams of salted butter. 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking powder, half a teaspoon or about 3 grams of salt, and our last ingredient, a 1/4 cup or about 60 grams of milk. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. So this is a super easy recipe. I'm going to get all my flour into my mixing bowl, my salt, baking powder, and my icing sugar. And icing sugar is also called powdered sugar or confectioner sugar. 3 different names, but it's all the same sugar. Just give that a little bit of a mix. That's good. And then I've just cut up my butter into little cubes. We'll get all of that in there. And that's good. And then all of my milk. And that's it. Get this onto my little mixer. And we just want to mix this up low speed until combined. This is just going to take a couple of seconds, and then we're on to the next step. So you do not want to overmix this. Just watch it very carefully as it mixes. As soon as it comes together, we're ready. See that? That's it. Done. So I'll get this out. I'll be back in a second. So here is my nice dough I just brought out. I'm going to get a little bit of flour down. Get that on there. And you can see how nice this is. Look, it's nice and pliable. It's perfect. Get a little bit on the top. And I've got my offset spatula here. I like to use that. Works very well. I'm going to start rolling this out. How thick you roll it is up to you. So I'm not going to be super precise. I just want to get a nice size cookie. Nice thickness. That will be really nice. There we go. Let's see. I think that looks nice. It's probably about a 1/4 inch, I'd say. That is nice, just like that. I'm going to get a little bit of flour down on my cutter. And then I'm just going to start cutting these and getting them onto a tray that I have a little piece of silicone mat on. Get those on there, and right on, just like that. So this type of biscuit traditionally uses whole wheat flour, but if you want to try it with all-purpose or plain flour, you can. It's going to be quite different, I believe. I have never tried it with just plain flour. That's good. So you can see how easy this is. And what's great about this is that you don't have to chill these, they can go right into the oven. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll be back in a second. So now I'm going to bake my cookies for about 20 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is about 177 degrees Celsius. Hey everybody, I am back. My cookies smell amazing. I baked them for a total of 20 minutes. So at this point they are all completely cool. Let's go in and finish off our video and taste one. Just before I put my cookies into the oven, I took a chopstick and I just poked holes in all of the cookies. And that just makes the cookies look a little bit more like the ones that you'd buy at the store. So let's go in and try one of these. I'll turn it over, you can see slight browning on the bottom, very, very nice. And let's see. Oh yeah, nice little crunch there. Look at that. That is nice. Let me go in for a bite. That is good. Sometimes you want a cookie that is not overly sweet, and this is the kind of cookie that you'll want to try. Very nice. If you've seen digestive cookies at the store before, you'll notice that some of them have been dipped in chocolate, and that's just another little nice addition to this type of cookie. I'm going in for another bite. Yum. Nice little crunch to them. Really nice. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Really nice. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.